Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Very nice price action and exactly as expected for our prediction here in the bearish scenario where we might still be corrective. And yeah, we're gonna see why. Of course, let's take a look first, an overview where the gold is heading from the history, and to get an overview between the bullish and the bearish scenarios. So in a bigger view here, we are of course in the gold with a big diagonal, I would say contracting diagonal and a leading diagonal as well. A, B, and a C, A, B, and a C. And then we are looking for another ABC as a wave 3 and probably 4 and a 5. And yeah, this wave 5 might have finished, right, as expected in the lower time frame, and we might of course move toward the downside a little bit for a correction after of course an A, B, and a C, because you are expecting an A, B, and a C of course. By the way, here A, B, and a C for your wave 5, all right, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is very close to be finished, or at least we have finished a wave 3 inside this wave 5, 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for a wave 4. So currently, yeah, these are the scenarios for the gold. It is a very clearly leading diagonal. There is no double 1-2s. There is no impulse here. Same as for here and same as for here. It's all about zigzags. Now, taking a closer look here on the daily for what's happening in the last wave, we have, as we mentioned, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, that was true. As mentioned, we have finished a wave 4, and probably we are currently in the 5 of the wave 5 as well. Very long impulse toward the upside, as you can see, 1 and then 2, 3, and we're looking for a long wave 4 based on the time of your wave 2. The wave 4 needs a time, of course, to unfold here, and then continuation toward the upside for a wave 5. And if we take even a closer look here on the 4-hour chart, so on the 4-hour chart, we can see as well, yeah, that we have this formation of the ABC, right, for wave 4 here, where we have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse toward the downside as well, which it have finished a wave A, or even it can be 3 waves toward the downside here and 1 ABC, because of course on the 4-hour chart it looks like more like 3 waves rather than an impulse. However, if this is of course a 3 wave, of course it is not enough to say that we finished a correction from a big wave 2. Yeah, look at the wave 2 time, and this wave 4 time is very far from being finished as a correction, and especially that we did not touch the 0.23, which is the minimum fib level for a wave 4. Meaning right now you are in a formation of 3 waves down, 3 waves up again, and 5 waves down to finish perfectly in time and in fib level as well, to hit the 0.23 at least, or the 0.38. Based on Elliott wave alternation, we have here an expanding flat, meaning of course you might have in this case scenario a zigzag, or probably something much more longer. It can be even a triangle, but from this price action, triangle is a little bit far. I would say it might be of course a bigger flat, and it might be a little bit deeper, because a flat here is not very deep. It is much more sideways. Normally your wave 4 tends to be much more deeper in case of course for alternation between wave 4 and the wave 2. So in this case scenario, now let's move inside the 1-hour chart. As you can see, yeah, we have counted this as probable. Yeah, I know why now. As a probability that if this is an impulse or not, because yeah, the wave 4 has interfered your wave 1, and therefore it is considered directly 3 waves toward the downside rather than being impulsive and then of course moving toward the upside. So better to remove this impulse, by the way, because anyway the wave B has said already this is a regular flat. Yeah, and we got a little bit higher wave B, of course, but yeah, the drop was already expected, as you can see with our path given since the last analysis. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're looking for an impulse toward the downside. Your targets for this flat is wave C in a regular flat. Here we go, which is between the 121 and 1.05, 2,857 and 2,861. And I believe that even it will touch the 0.23 from now, probably. Now, would this be even enough to say that a correction is finished before this blue zone? I doubt it very, very much. Yeah, so I believe that still need to range a little bit and then moving towards the upside. I would say 3 waves up, 5 waves down, even as ending diagonal, it can be enough. And then moving towards the upside, of course. 408.5, very nice for the gold. It was a hit for the price action and the prediction. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.